All right, well, Democrats and Republicans might not all be on the same page when it comes to COVID-19 relief, but they appear to be unanimously against Facebook and charging that it has simply gotten too big for its britches. Some 46 attorneys general, at a minimum, part of a class action battle against Facebook that says it has simply become not only too big, but an antitrust problem, the likes of which it has rarely seen, or some of these attorneys general have rarely seen, certainly in recent history. Josh Stein joins us right now, the North Carolina Democratic Attorney General, who was kind enough to join us on this Saturday. Attorney General, thank you very much for joining us. What is your number one and primary beef, and 45 of your colleagues, about the way Facebook does its business?
Yeah, well, Facebook is a monopoly. They absolutely dominate the social networking site space, which we have all come to depend on. I mean, they were massive and incredibly powerful before the pandemic, but since we live so much of our lives on the internet now, and it's how we connect with our aunts, uncles, our friends, our classmates, all of that. And they've used that massive power, which they have as a monopoly, to maintain it. They've squelched competition, and that hurts consumers. So what we want is to see free competition in the social networking site space so that consumers have meaningful choice.
So break them up?
That could be part of it. What we want is for the court to block them, first of all, from engaging in any anti-competitive behavior going forward, to require Facebook to notify the state AGs before they do more acquisitions, and whatever relief is necessary, and that could include divesting lines of business. We'll have to figure all that out as we go forward with the case.
Technology always changes, as you know, sir, and some people are saying the villain you see today could be just the dinosaur tomorrow, and that this is a waste of time. What do you say?
Well, I disagree. Technology does change all the time, but when somebody grows, and Facebook brought all manner of innovation to social networking, when they grow due to whatever they're bringing to the market, if once they become the monopoly, they then use that power to keep anyone else from emerging, that's what violates the law. It's not the fact that they're big, it's that they're using their monopoly power to squelch that competition and really degrade the services for consumers. The privacy protections have diminished. The fake accounts have exploded.
Got it. So the battle goes on. I don't mean to jump on you. Josh Stein, the North Carolina Attorney General, we have put out calls to Facebook, none returned.